Give him a cheer. Here we go. He's going to take off. Look how fast he's going. A Super 6. Unbelievable. Comes the next driver. He's off and running. Give him a big cheer, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get a big cheer here. Come on. Get your foot down. Faster, faster, faster. Oh. It's the right foot. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Give him a cheer. Let's give him a cheer here. Come on. Faster. Wow. Oh, wow. That was fantastic. Leaking a bit of fluid. Here we go. Come on, get him a big cheer. Wow. Oh, oh. Oh, he's hard on the... Give him a big cheer. Let's go. Here we go now. Let's go. Give him a cheer. Come on. Oh, come on. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Big cheer. Big cheer. Go on. Go on. Oh, that's all right, isn't it? Give him a big cheer. Give him a big clap. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Give him a cheer. Go on, you sir. Go on, you sir. Go. Oh. Are we ready? Let's go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Give him a cheer. Give him a clap. Let's go. Here we go. Is he moving? Oh my God. That was like... Here we go, longer than up. He's going for it. Give him a cheer. Come on, please, give him a cheer. Let's get on, let's get behind him. Here we go. Come on, driver. Let's get on here. Oh, wow. He's reversed off. He's going again. Good man. Go straight again. They said let him go, he wants to go. His foot's hard down, he wants to go. You got to give him a cheer, ladies and gentlemen. You got to get behind him. Here he goes. Come on, faster, faster, faster. Come on, driver. Nothing's in your way. Come on. That car's knackered. Oh. Is he going to go again? Wow. You gotta give him a break. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. He's going. I'll push him. We can't push him. Come on, yes sir. Get in gear. Oh no. I've given him warp speed. I've told him. I can't do any more than that. Please get behind him. Give him a cheer. You've got to give him a cheer. He's ready to go. Ready? Come on, stop the rev and just get the speed. More speed. This is clutch stop. Is that it? Unbelievable. You want to go up the ramp, Is that makes it up the ramp, I'll eat me cup of tea. Come on. The hockey's going to go up the ramp. Yes, he made the ramp. Wow. It's never made it here now. Big cheer. Give him a cheer. Come on. Please. Come on, boys. Wow. That was alright, wasn't it? Yeah, that was alright. We're excited. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Let's get behind this one. There's two of them. Give them a cheer. You've got to get behind them. Come on. Will them over. Faster. Faster. Oh, what's he done?